All right, so this might be the most important video that I upload on this channel in the entire year of 2026. And here's why. If you're a coach, if you're a course creator, if you're a consultant, if you're a service provider, the entire landscape is changing, and it's changing faster than we thought possible. I thought a couple of months ago that this is probably going to be a 6 or a 12-month or even 24-month period, but it's changing in like 90 days. And tools like Lovable are helping us do this at a rate and with simplicity that I didn't even know was possible. So why am I so excited about this? Well, I just came off of 2 meetings, one with a billion-dollar company, a software company, and they were saying the same thing that I'm talking about today. And then another call that I had with my inner circle. So each week we jump on and we build stuff, like we vibe code together live on the calls. And I've got to see today, just an hour ago, what the other members are building. So custom apps internally and externally, meaning a custom project management tool for their business, and then a delivery tool to help their clients get the outcome faster. Now, usually you see people sharing like a screenshot and it's a dashboard and it's an app, and it's kind of like cool, but it's not really like groundbreaking. It's not changing how you do things in a certain industry. And now we're using APIs to connect them into a tool like Lovable so that we can do anything. Just a simple example, if you wanted to build a social media publishing tool, you would just build a dashboard, connect it with an API, and they can publish the stuff for you on social media. If you wanted to create an internal automation that does a specific content creation flow, let's say, you would just look at the different steps, connect the different APIs that you need, and Lovable will give you the APIs that you need, and then you just add them and it creates this entire app that does the thing for you. Now, if all of that is complicated, I'm going to share a few different tools here so you can see what's possible. More importantly, see for you what would make the most sense for you. So in Solopreneur, I built an app that basically does everything that I do for businesses when I consult them. Plan, build, launch. So we look at income streams, aka offers, niche statement, avatar, offer creator. We can use AI to research the internet, come back and give us suggestions. Then we build out a program, content, a personal brand, vibe coding, prompts for Lovable. Then we have a sales page, ads, Google Doc to sell stuff without sales calls, and a VSL, and much more. Now, because we upload our brain with all of our PDFs and our current stuff, it can learn from that and then generate all of this without us having to fill it out manually. So if I can build all of this in a day, then why wouldn't every coach build their own platform, every course creator build their own platform with tools and information? So for example, AI Academy, this is a simple tool that I just built today, live on Zoom with my inner circle. And so you can see it has dashboard with an overview of the enrollments, the students, progress, activity, calendar, exactly like I want from one screenshot and one prompt. I can add all of the courses, I can add assessments, certifications, I can add gamification, I can add a specific tool from, let's say, from Solopreneur. So let's say I want an AI chat like this. I can just screenshot this and say, add an AI chat in here so people can ask information about the videos. Oh, you know what we could do? Instead of having them watch the videos, we would transcribe them. And I can just say here in Lovable, hey, actually give people a transcription and a summary and link it to a tool that just does the thing for them. So now it's agentic, meaning the agent will do the work and generate the outcome that they want instead of them having to watch the videos. So imagine people having to previously watch recordings of coaching calls. Now we can just say, hey, connect through an API, connect Zoom or Google Meet, where we have the coaching calls, and give them a summary inside of our own platform. This is kind of replacing School and Kajabi and these platforms. Not saying that everyone will cancel them, but a lot of us, we want a tool to generate the outcome so that people don't have to watch all the videos in a platform like School. They're available for people who want to, but anyways, I digress. So I can now add gamification. I can make it my own. It's original. It's my branding. And so it increases the level of experience that all of our students and members of the community have. And if you think that this isn't possible to build out because it sounds too good to be true, or that Lovable would be too much of like a vibe coding thing and it's not like real projects, then just look at some of the companies like EXP, real estate company in the US with 86,000 agents building internal tools in Lovable, right? And this is happening across the globe. It's like it's no wonder, there's no surprise why they're a multi-billion dollar company. Anyways, again, I digress. So we look at another tool like Funnel IQ, and you look at this and you go, that doesn't look cool, that doesn't look fun, doesn't look great. Here's what most people get wrong. They start with the design and then they work backwards to get the feature done. So all I've done here is I've made this an AI-powered funnel intelligence tool where I can analyze funnels, audit pages, chat with Funnel IQ, generate copy. It's a very, like, it's one prompt, it's just the basic. And this is to show you what most people build. They build this and then they cancel their Lovable account because it's not really anything fancy. Gets the job done, but it's not world-class, breathtaking, beautiful UI. So what do I do? What do I recommend people do? Well, you go to a page like dribble.com and you find, for example, you just saw dashboard there. You can type in here, dashboard, and you can see, so UI dashboard, black and white. So let's go Apple type of simplicity, something clean like this. You would grab, so just copy image 3 of these and say update the branding to look something like this, and it'll model it. So Lovable won't copy everything because they can't replicate and steal work. It'll just use it as inspiration, and then it'll update the branding and everything. And then you'll prompt here, how can we make the features better? Give me 5 to 7 different things that we can do to improve it, so on and so forth. So don't leave when you have the basic dashboard. That's where you start building. And the functionality is the most important part, because you look at what you've done previously manually, and then you say, can you do this for me? So an example of this, someone in the inner circle wanted to connect Facebook ads through an API to a reporting, because usually they use Google spreadsheets, and Stripe for sales to attribute and look at what ads are performing best. And I said, just put that into a dashboard and say, Lovable, please build a dashboard and app that reports to me, beautiful dashboard of like the graphs and which ads are performing best, but also give me copy for new ads based on that. So take it to the next level of like, okay, I have this information, now do the next thing, build the next version of this that removes tasks from my plate. And then you look at something like this, cash flow OS. So we all have things that we want out of life. That's why we work, so that we can have a salary, so we can provide for our loved ones. But sometimes you want to have like a long-term goal. I want to have this dream house for my family where we have peace and we can have a golf course, a par 3 on the, in the backyard. maybe this is me, But you can put in your budgeting and your financial goals, and it can show you a path to get there. Now, I just said to Lovable, create a cash flow operating system, so cash flow OS, and then show me transactions, and so I can add in and connect my, my recurring income and costs. And I just added this to show an example. HBO Max to watch sports, an expense, AI consulting, income, frequency, how often is it, all of that. You can add your goals here. You can have a planner, business and personal. And so this was all done with a couple of prompts. So this is an internal tool, but then this one is both an internal and an external tool, because with my inner circle, I give people access to this. So if you're a coach, start thinking in terms of tools where you're building your delivery on an AI dashboard, a platform that you build. You can build it like this, where the videos would show up in Academy. It's just one page where I have the fast lane, the formulas, the roadmap, and the blueprints. Or it looks more like this, and it's like the course videos, and then the transcriptions and assignments and gamification. Or if it's more technical, like here's the AI built on my frameworks that will just audit and suggest, it will look for leaky holes in your funnels and help you make more money. Or it'll be an internal tool for me to basically have a second brain for my finances or for my projects. I've built this tool for myself. This is purely for internal use. So for in this one called Studio, I just want to be able to ideate content, have a calendar, want to be able to create stuff simply by putting in exactly what type of content I want. I want to write content, have a content pipeline for ideas planning, filming, editing, and so forth. I can research competitors, viral videos, hook library, watch list to see, hey, this person is crushing it, which video is performing best for them right now, outliers, the $100 million framework that changed my life, great, and then I link to that video. So those are some of the use cases. Here's another one. Let's say you have a lot of courses or maybe calls, maybe you just have a lot of Zoom calls right now. Well, transcribe those, or say, Lovable, transcribe my Zoom calls and create an integration so you can transcribe them and clone me into an AI guide, coach, where people can just ask me questions. So I did this with High Level. So I said, take all of the help documents in High Level, put it into an AI coach, and then people can just say like, hey, how do I set up my first funnel? And you'll give them the steps. They can ask questions from this and you'll look at the documents and tell them. So instead of having to read everything, they just ask one thing at a time. It's like talking to ChatGPT for High Level specifically. So I built this for my community. Fast lanes, if you want to have your own white label SaaS with High Level, here's how to do it. View the guide, watch the videos, talk to the AI coach. Amazing. Here's another version, CMO AI. This is a growth partner tool where you can, again, connect your ads manager, added an AI assistant so you can talk to you upload the engine behind this with whatever information you want, and it will take that into consider when it replies. So what's my best performing ad this month? Audit my funnel for leaks. This is kind of a better version of this, where I said, don't leave it at this. If you could have this, because this looks way better. Funnel audit, according to the awareness levels, content generation, ad copy, email sequence, social media, landing pages, sales pages. Start thinking in platforms, not just one feature here. A lot of coaches still use workbooks, PDFs, spreadsheets, Google Docs. Put it into a platform where people can get access to you and your brain in your own branded dashboard. Here's another one, onboard AI. Oh, wait, okay. I got a message from, I was thinking like, where's this one coming from? Onboard AI, I got a message from someone who's doing 7 figures plus, like multi 7 figures. And they said, hey, do you have a tool that you recommend for onboarding? Because, people don't like filling out, 100 different things in a onboarding form. It takes them an hour, and they would prefer to just do it in 5 minutes if they could with AI. So I'm like, could I build this? And so I opened up Lovable and I built out Onboard AI, where it's a form builder, right? It's a form builder, but you can choose how the forms look. And then once you build it out, you have a profile. So if I get onboarded once to Onboard AI, then next time people ask me to fill out an onboarding form, I can just share my profile with stuff that I've already onboarded once. And it's like a quiz with AI. So it'll ask me one thing at a time, and it'll make it simpler, faster, and way more convenient, which is what an offer should be. So anyways, these are just some of the ideas. Biggest thing is for coaches, consultants, how do you upload your videos into a platform, and your, like, all the stuff that you usually ask people to do manually? How can you, well, I know how you can do it. You can just say in Lovable, turn these into features, give me a plan. And then when you do that, like here, you would say, create a custom platform for my clients where they get all my frameworks and tools as features in a dashboard instead. Because you click this right here, plan mode, it's going to ask you a couple of questions and then build out the plan. So you can see here, it's going to generate, it says client hub. What I like about Lovable compared to all the other tools is that it's visual. So you just chat here, you always get the visual version of it here. So it creates the thing, updates the platform. So first it's going to start asking me questions around the plan, the vision, and then the feature. So what kind of frameworks and tools do you offer your clients? So I'll say business strategy frameworks, digital tools, software, educational content. For this one, I'll say others. What kind of frameworks do I offer my clients? I build funnels for personal brands. I mean, right now I build more apps for people than funnels, but it's still something I do. Do clients need to log in to access the platform? Yes, login required. What should the dashboard feel like? Clean and minimal. How many frameworks do you want to start with? 6 to 10, and then submit. It will probably ask me more questions around funnels, for example. What kind of funnels do you build? Do you want checklists for those? Like, it's just going to ask me everything you can see here, and then it's going to start building it out. And in a couple of minutes, I get my first version, and that's where I'll go in here and I'll say, build it, something similar to this, for an example. I want to try this tile, so I'll come in here and I'll add this in here by just Command V. I paste it in, use this for inspiration. What will these tools do? Interactive wizards. Yep, progress tracker. I want that as well. And next, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Wanted you to see this before everyone else because we're a little bit ahead of the market, the masses, but that's good. It means that we're not getting left behind in the AI race. Hopefully that's valuable. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I just wanted to film this before I head home for dinner with my family after a long day. Bunch of great calls today. I don't usually do calls. Yesterday I had 0 calls. Today, 3 hours of amazing conversations around AI, and wanted to share my insights with you. Hopefully it's valuable. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.